Try walking into a tech store today and asking for a Bluetooth tracker. Chances are you'll get the same response over and over. We're sold out. Whether it's key finders, wallet trackers, luggage tags, or even pet attachments, these tiny devices are disappearing from shelves faster than retailers can restock them. Bluetooth trackers have officially become one of the most in-demand gadgets in the US, and the surge isn't slowing down. But what's driving this sudden nationwide obsession with small devices designed to help you find things? To understand the spike, you have to start with the American lifestyle of 2026. People are busier, moving faster, and constantly juggling work, errands, travel, and responsibilities. Losing something, keys, bags, phones, wallets, backpacks, is no longer just an inconvenience. It can be a safety issue, a financial setback, or a massive disruption to the day. Bluetooth trackers solve that problem instantly, and Americans are quickly realizing their value. The first major driver behind the sellout trend is travel. With domestic and international travel rebounding in a big way, millions of Americans are back in airports. And so are the stories of delayed, misplaced, or lost luggage. Travelers who once relied on airline tracking systems now want their own layer of protection. A small Bluetooth tracker in a suitcase gives real-time proximity alerts, separation notifications, and reassurance that your bag made it onto the plane. After months of frustrated travelers sharing success stories online, demand for luggage trackers exploded. Another big reason is everyday security. People are attaching trackers to their bikes, backpacks, cars, gym bags, work equipment, and even expensive tools. Any item they can't afford to lose, or simply don't want to lose, is now getting a Bluetooth tag. The convenience of tapping an app and watching your item light up on a map or play a locating sound has become addictive. Tech improvements are pushing demand even higher. Modern trackers are smaller, smarter, and more accurate than ever. Better Bluetooth range, louder alerts, longer battery life, and more durable designs have made trackers more reliable. Many now offer two-way features, letting users find their phone from the tracker, or vice versa. Water-resistant casings mean people can use them outdoors, on pets, or attached to gear in all weather conditions. The rise of family tracking habits is another contributor. Parents are putting trackers on kids' backpacks, lunchboxes, sports bags, and musical instruments. College students are putting them on dorm keys and laptops. Households are using them to monitor remote controls, medication bags, and even power tools that frequently get misplaced. The idea is simple. You can't lose what you can find instantly. Another powerful push comes from pet owners. While Bluetooth trackers are not replacements for GPS collars, many owners use them on cats, indoor pets, or as secondary identifiers on dog collars. Lost pet posts on social media often include stories of successful recoveries thanks to Bluetooth tags, and every viral example drives more demand. We're also seeing growth from the gig economy. Delivery drivers, rideshare drivers, technicians, and freelancers rely on tools, equipment, and personal items to work. Losing anything can cost them time and income. So Bluetooth trackers have become part of the essential toolkit for workers who move constantly throughout the day. Supply chain changes are amplifying the sellout phenomenon. More companies are launching versions of their own trackers. But the demand is so intense that production cycles can't keep up. Anytime a major retailer restocks, online shoppers quickly clear the inventory within hours. Even third-party accessory brands are selling out because consumers don't care about brand names as much as they care about features, range, and reliability. Another overlooked driver is the rise of shared finding networks. Many trackers now use anonymous, crowdsourced locating systems. When an item marked as lost passes near someone else's smartphone, the owner gets a location update, without the other person even knowing. This creates a massive national network where millions of phones quietly help find lost items. The more people use trackers, the stronger the network becomes. And as the network grows, the devices become more useful, creating a cycle that keeps increasing demand. Bluetooth trackers are also gaining popularity in workplaces and corporate environments. Companies are attaching them to laptops, hard drives, keys, security badges, prototypes, and field equipment. With hybrid work still dominant, items move between home and office more frequently than before. Trackers reduce loss, simplify asset management, and increase accountability. Even the fashion and lifestyle world has taken notice. Wallets, passport holders, luggage sets, and even water bottles are now being sold with built-in compartments for trackers. Brands have realized that trackable accessories are a selling point, especially for travelers, parents, and students. Social media has played a major role too. Videos of people losing items and then instantly recovering them, thanks to a tracker, go viral regularly. These stories have created a perception that not having a tracker is a risk. Users share creative ways of tracking tools, skateboards, drone cases, camera gear, and more, fueling new waves of demand every month. But perhaps the most important reason these devices are selling out is psychological. People want peace of mind. They want control. In a world full of distractions, uncertainty, and constant movement, knowing that you can always find your most important belongings feels like a superpower. And for the cost of a small accessory, that reassurance is hard to resist. Looking ahead, Bluetooth trackers will likely evolve even further. Smaller sizes, stronger signals, anti-theft features, louder alerts, and more universal compatibility will continue pushing demand. We may see trackers built directly into common household items or bundled with major purchases like laptops, tools, and luggage. But one thing is already clear. Bluetooth trackers have become essential everyday gadgets for millions of Americans. They're not just convenience tools, they're protection tools, organizational tools, travel tools, peace of mind tools. And as long as people have things they can't afford to lose, these tiny devices will keep selling out across the US.